Hello and welcome to the SBR Engineering YouTube channel. I'm Stuart Bitmead, the owner here at SBR Engineering. We're going to do a bit of an introduction video this evening about our new facility and the things that we do at SBR Engineering. Lots to talk about, lots has changed for us, lots of new things going on. A lot of our customers have been telling us we should be on YouTube, maybe showcasing some of the things we do. We have been on YouTube a long time, probably for videos of revving up cars and lots of other things.
Hi, I'm Stuart Bitmead, owner of SBR Engineering in Hemel Hempstead.
There we go, cut. So here we are in the main workshop. As you can see, we have got ramps here where we do most of our servicing. We have our engine build rooms there. We also do gearboxes, all the sort of car work that's not on the car. We'll be taking components off is done in there. We also have a alignment ramp, preparation bays. But a lot of people will know us for servicing work. We've got a good reputation for Ferrari, Lamborghini, Maserati. We're doing a lot of McLaren stuff as well now. We have been since we started racing them a few years ago. Large components, when they come off into the engine room, generally this is remedial work, valve guides, wear, oil leaks. Sometimes these engines have to come out. It's probably more surgery than you have on your normal road car, but it's the way of the supercar. In here we've got 348 engine undergoing build, 360 challenge engine, 430 challenge engine, and a 275 4-cam engine at the back there. The 4-cam engines had a full engine rebuild, new pistons, liners, valves. Okay, that was the engine room. I could waffle on about engines and stuff, but we're going to do more videos and stuff. Hopefully when people watch this they might want to see other stuff. Let us know. Out here in the workshop we've got a Murcielago. This car we're converting to a manual shift, a Murcielago Roadster. We've done a few of these now, and dare I say getting quite good at them. So that's another project that we're getting done at the moment. Other cars in the workshop, 4, 5, 6, having some remedial work. Lots of stuff to talk about, but like I say, we're going to try and do different videos on different things, engines, you know, and bits and pieces. 355 GTS, one of the nicest ones we've had in a long time. We've looked after this car for nearly 15 years. It's up for sale with us on our website at the moment. Jez, who's our cameraman this evening. Hello. He's Jez's department, so yeah, sales is something we're going to do a bit more of. We've always done car sales, brokered cars, but we're now making a concerted effort to market our own things, and hopefully there'll be a good service we can provide. We know cars that we're selling, so we can, with peace of mind, pass them on to the new owners, knowing that we've looked after them for a while. Other cars in the workshop, Dino here, still one of the prettiest Ferraris, probably not the quickest thing out there, but a beautiful classic car. We've just done a lot of suspension work on that. Few other odds and ends for the customer, just wanted to tidy it up, ready for next year. Moving over to the corner here, we've got a Bizzarrini 13500 America. That's quite a rare car these days. They've had a bit of a resurgence. They're being rebuilt now. Bizzarrini have got their own place making new cars, but this is an original car, a car we pulled out of a barn, a genuine barn find quite some years ago. The customer has sort of wants to get cracking on this now after pausing. But another car we can do a big video on. There's lots to talk about on this. Amazing history. Yeah, so this is kind of the project corner. Little Lotus 11 there. We helped out with that car in Portugal earlier this year. It's now been stripped down, crack checked, repainted. Got everything done ready for next year's race season. Come back into the workshop, obviously talked about sales cars, exhaust. We've only ever done YouTube videos on exhaust and noises. This particular car we fit the Novitec exhaust to. We're an agent for Novitec. We've got an online shop now, which is another thing we're going to start sort of pushing as we go forward. We're doing a lot of products on there that have helped us over the years, companies we've worked with, companies we trust. So those are on our website. We're going to start talking more about that. But yeah, Novitec exhaust, A lot of them, probably one of the best sounding exhausts, particularly for V12s. A lot of guys out there will know us for our racing. We've been very fortunate, we've done very well from racing over the years. It's a small part of the business, but a part that we're still very passionate about. We've always got race cars around, we're still doing lots of projects with race cars. This is one of our 458 race cars we used last year in the Masters Racing Series. This has just been on the dyno, another great string to our bow now that we've got our own in-house dyno. We inherited the dyno room with the building. This building was owned by quite a famous Porsche racing team back in the late 90s, G-Force. And they used to run all their cars here. They were British GT champions. The GT1 Porsche was run from here, as well as 935 Porsches. We've gone the other way with Italian stuff, but we're petrol heads. It's great to have a building with such racing heritage, and we're now in it with the things we do. So yeah, really looking forward to doing more on the dyno. Not just power runs. People just associate it with power runs. It's a very good diagnostic tool. Some of our classic cars we've done some short YouTube shorts on those you might have seen. Very good. You can't always drive these cars on the road, particularly race cars. You can't drive on the road. We can iron out problems before we get there, but we will do more videos on this. We'll get some power run videos because people want to see what power these things do, genuine power, and some more diagnostic stuff because it's really interesting tool, something we've used for many years with our race cars and road cars, and great to have our own one on site now. So there you go, just a short video just to show you around the building, what we're doing, what we're hoping to do in the future. A few more videos on the dyno, engines, exhaust, just behind the camera with some car sales. Let us know what you want to see. Thanks for watching, and we'll be back soon.